Welcome to our channel today. We're going to be talking about something that affects us all, money. Are you tired of feeling stressed out by your finances? If so, you're not alone. But the good news is that there's a solution, and it's called the Minimalist Money Makeover. In this video, we'll be sharing with you some practical tips and strategies for simplifying your finances and achieving financial freedom. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey, or you're looking for new ways to improve your current situation, we're confident that you'll find something valuable in this video. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started on your minimalist money makeover. First up is the duo goal method. When it comes to simplifying your finances, there's one rule that can make a huge difference: the duo goal rule. This simple principle states that you should have two main financial goals at any given time, one short-term and one long-term. The short-term goal should be something achievable within the next 6 to 12 months, such as paying off a credit card or saving up for a vacation. The long-term goal should be something that will take longer to achieve, such as saving for a down payment on a house or planning for retirement. By focusing on just two goals at a time, you can avoid feeling overwhelmed and scattered, and instead, stay focused and motivated. So, if you're feeling bogged down by your finances, give the duo goal rule a try and see how it can simplify your financial life. Don't make the mistake of thinking that the duo goal method is the only tip for a minimalist money makeover. We've got plenty more strategies to help simplify your financial life. Next is the Use It Up challenge. If you're looking for a way to simplify your finances and reduce your expenses, the Use It Up challenge might be just what you need. This challenge involves taking a close look at everything you own, from pantry items to toiletries to cleaning supplies, and making a commitment to use up everything before buying anything new. This can help you save money by reducing waste and avoiding unnecessary purchases. It can also help you simplify your life by clearing out clutter and focusing on what's truly important. Plus, it can be a fun and rewarding challenge to see just how long you can go without buying something new. So, give the Use It Up challenge a try and see how it can benefit your life. Next up, make sure to curate monthly bills. Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by your monthly bills? Then it's time to start curating your monthly expenses. This simply means taking a close look at all of your bills and expenses and deciding which ones are truly necessary and which ones can be eliminated. For example, do you really need that expensive cable package or monthly subscription service? By curating your bills, you can eliminate unnecessary expenses and free up more money for the things that truly matter. Plus, it can help you simplify your financial life by reducing the number of bills and expenses you have to keep track of each month. So, take a closer look at your monthly bills and start curating today. You'll be amazed at how much money you can save and how much simpler your life can become. Curating your monthly bills is just one to simplify your finances. Stay tuned for our next tip and take your first step towards a more streamlined and stress-free financial future. Now onto the 360 tax deduction. You may be missing out on potential tax savings if you're unsure about which tax deductions you're eligible for. It's time to try the 360 tax deduction approach. This involves taking a comprehensive look at all of your expenses throughout the year and identifying any potential tax deductions that you may have missed. By examining your expenses from every angle, including work-related expenses, charitable donations, and medical expenses, you can potentially save hundreds or even thousands of dollars on your taxes each year. It can also help you simplify your financial life by ensuring that you're not leaving any money on the table. So don't leave your tax deductions to chance. Try the 360 tax deduction approach and see how much you can save. It's a simple and effective way to simplify your finances and keep more money in your pocket. We would love to hear from you about your own experiences with the 360 tax deduction strategy. Share your tips and ideas with us in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. After that, be sure to automate investing. Do you feel overwhelmed and intimidated by the thought of investing? Don't worry, you're not alone. What if I told you there was a simple way to simplify your financial life and grow your wealth at the same time? Enter automated investing. By setting up automatic contributions to your investment accounts, you can take the stress and guesswork out of investing. Say goodbye to endless research and analysis paralysis. Instead, you can sit back and relax, knowing that you're consistently putting money towards your long-term financial goals. Not only that, automating your investments can be a great way to stay disciplined and avoid the temptation to spend money on unnecessary purchases. So why wait? Start automating your investments today and simplify your financial life while growing your wealth. Following that, we have switch stores. It's time to switch stores. By shopping at discount stores and buying generic or store brand products, you can save a significant amount of money each month. It may take a little bit of extra effort to compare prices and find the best deals, but the savings can really add up over time. Plus, switching stores can help you simplify your financial life by reducing the number of shopping trips you have to make each month and cutting down on impulse purchases. So, if you're looking to simplify your finances and free up more money for the things that matter, consider switching stores and embracing a more frugal lifestyle. It may take some adjustment, but the long-term benefits are worth it. If you are enjoying these tips for a minimalist money makeover and found them helpful, please consider showing your support. You can do this by liking the video, sharing it with your friends and family, leaving a comment with your thoughts and feedback. Stay tuned to continue on this journey towards financial freedom together. Now we are on to cut down paperwork. If you feel overwhelmed by the amount of paperwork involved in managing your finances, we have a solution for you. Let's cut down on the clutter and simplify your financial life. By switching to digital statements and online bill pay, you can reduce the amount of paper you receive and save time and energy on organizing and filing. Not only that, but going paperless can also help you stay more organized and avoid missing important bills or statements in the mail. It is also better for the environment. If you're concerned about the security of digital statements, rest assured that many companies now offer secure online portals and encryption to keep your information safe. So why not make the switch today and simplify your financial life? You'll free up time and mental energy and do your part for the planet at the same time. Next up is rent hacking. Tired of feeling like you're throwing money away on rent each month? It's time to try rent hacking. Rent hacking involves finding creative ways to reduce your housing expenses, whether that's by negotiating your rent, finding roommates to split the costs, or even subletting your place when you're away. By thinking outside the box and exploring different options, you can significantly reduce your housing expenses and free up more money for the things that matter. Plus, rent hacking can be a great way to simplify your financial life by reducing your fixed expenses and giving you more control over your budget. So, if you're tired of feeling like you're stuck in a financial rut, try rent hacking and see how much you can save each month. You may be surprised at how much you can accomplish with a little bit of creativity and effort. Let's keep the momentum going on our journey towards a minimalist money makeover. Stick around to discover more practical tips that help you in achieving your goal. Our penultimate tip: split money with friends and family. One strategy to simplify your financial life is splitting money with friends and family. Whether you're sharing the cost of a vacation rental or pooling funds for a group gift, splitting expenses with others can help you save money and reduce the stress of managing your finances. Plus, this approach can be a great way to strengthen your relationships and build a sense of community around your financial goals. By working together and sharing the burden of financial obligations, you can achieve more than you ever could on your own. So why not start looking for opportunities to split money with friends and family today? You may be surprised at how much simpler and more enjoyable your financial life can be when you have a support system to lean on. Last but not least, whittle down debt. Are you feeling overwhelmed by debt and struggling to keep up with payments? It's time to simplify your financial life by whittling down your debt. This means focusing on paying off your debts, starting with the smallest ones first, and then moving on to larger ones. By breaking your debts into manageable chunks, you can make steady progress and build momentum towards becoming debt-free. Plus, reducing your debt can help you simplify your financial life by freeing up more of your income for savings and other priorities. Whether you're dealing with credit card debt, student loans, or other types of debt, the whittling down approach can help you regain control and achieve your financial goals. So why not start taking steps today to pay off your debts and simplify your financial life? You may be surprised at how much lighter and more manageable your financial burden feels when you start making progress towards becoming debt-free. And that's a wrap on our minimalist money makeover strategies. We hope you found these tips and strategies helpful in simplifying your financial life and achieving your goals. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content on personal finance and living your best life.